Lacey is after a gecko.
Lacey the lizard chaser.
Lacey the lizard chaser. She's tracking it down. She has something on her sights. We're up here looking for a rocket launch. I believe it's what, a SpaceX?
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a SpaceX. Looking at it on here. Everything looks like it's good shape to go. Let's see what Lacey's doing over here. What you doing, your baba? What you doing? You after a lizard? The lizard chaser. Lacey the lizard chaser. You got one on your sights? Huh? Do you have a lizard on your sights? I'll get one. She's an expert. She'll get them, but she lets them go. Always looking. This is what she does when she comes out here. She comes out here and gets her lizard. Maggie just paces. She says, don't take my picture. Please don't take my picture. I don't want my picture taken. She's very shy. Look at her pace. She just paces and paces and paces.
It's right here. Come on.
And then she sits down beside her mama.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Reluctantly, she sits.
There was no carrots involved. So
no carrots. No carrots involved in this set. We got about 10 minutes yet before they're gonna launch a rocket. It's gonna replace a couple satellites, I guess. It's been up there for a long time.
Shot
Get
of
a
the
picture of the moon.
nearly full moon rising over the east coast of Florida right now.
There you go.
Beautiful
They're zoomed
shots
right in
from
on
the
that moon.
long-range tracking
I haven't
telescope
seen it yet. It's up over
operated by Pete
the
Karstens.
ocean, which is over that way. And so it hasn't come up high enough for us to see the thing. Got an airplane taking off. Barely see it through the trees. And there's my big old tree that I'm afraid is going to fall down. We're trying to get them to take it down before it falls down. It will destroy my solar and most likely hit the deck. And it's right up there.
9 minutes 5 seconds.
9 minutes 5 seconds and we'll get this going. So it's gonna, I see a plane way off there. Can see a plane in the air.
After liftoff this evening, SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket will be heading due east from Cape Canaveral,
Heading east.
targeting a subsynchronous.
So it'll be gone away from us. So it's gonna come up probably somewhere in this direction here.
Space Launch Complex 40,
And it's gonna be
drone
heading
ship
over in that
Lavalier
direction.
Falcon 9 booster will be landing about 9 minutes after liftoff.
And the booster will come down and land back. And the lizard chase is on.
Mermaid.
Look at that tail go. Did you get it, Bubba? She's on the hunt. I want a lizard. They get behind the furniture. And she goes nuts trying to track them down. You get it? You're on the hunt, aren't you? She's quite the hunter. Look at that foot up in the air.
Holy. So bad, just a smidge.
Hmm. And the tails are going. What do you think? You think you're going to get it? This gives her a lot to do when she's out here. Well, let's get back over to the rocket launch. We should be closer to 5 minutes now. Sometimes these, we have this on the phone here. And sometimes they're not right on. If you ain't careful, you gotta be right on it, and then you miss them. So, but there's the video from the. There's a live chat of SpaceX. I think we're about 3 minutes out from the launch. You got to keep track of them because they'll scrub it, and you can stand out here forever and know it's not even coming up. Well, there's the view we have on the deck. We could actually watch television from right in here. Looking right in the window, see, we can actually see the television. Can't hear it, but we could see it. Everything is in shape. Sue's getting ready.
I was doing the other day, watching through the window.
Yeah, you watched through the window. Now it's just shortly before 7, or it might be 7. I don't know.
7.
It's after 7, so we're about 2 minutes out.
Supposed to go at 7:05.
7:05 is the launch time. Beautiful night. Show you the sky. Sun's setting over here in the west. We've talked about the different launches there and SpaceX. You have to have a clear view of the north. Right there's the north. We don't have no clear view of north, so we cannot use SpaceX. I have one tree here that's going to probably go out because we're waiting for him to try to get it cut down because it's posing a danger.
Now inside of 2 minutes until launch.
2 minutes.
1 minute and 35 seconds.
A minute and 35 seconds, so 90 seconds. Get this a little closer, maybe you can pick up some of the sound from it. Airplane's going over right beside the airport. And there's the rocket.
70 seconds.
70 seconds. Sue's going to watch for me as I take this shot here, because I said you never know.
Falcon is in startup.
It's in startup.
Now inside of 50 seconds until liftoff, 45 seconds and counting.
We're going to kind of see if we can see it. We should be good night. You should be able to see it good.
T-minus 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
T-minus 30.
T-minus 15 seconds.
15. We're getting right down there. I think it's going to go.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engine start. And liftoff.
There she goes.
Liftoff of SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket, carrying the Galaxy 33 and 34 satellites into orbit.
We'll start looking for it here in the sky now. I love these nighttime launches or evening.
25 seconds. Beautiful, beautiful shots of the Falcon 9 rocket climbing to orbit this evening with the Galaxy 33 and 34 satellites on board.
I haven't seen it yet. It'll pop up here in a minute.
I see it.
Sue says she sees it. I don't see it yet.
Right over there.
No, I still don't see it. She's imagining
Call
things.
out. SpaceX launch control, everything looking good at 65 seconds. Falcon 9 now past the speed of sound.
I have before not ever seen it. Sue says she sees it. And the dog, of course, the dog's gonna bark.
You see it yet?
Nope, did not see it.
Beautiful, beautiful shots.
Not at all.
Here.
No,
What do you mean?
not at all. Nope, still not there. I don't see it. Oh, there I see it. There I see it. It's pretty small. These aren't very big rockets. I can just see a dot. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up or not. But I do see it. Pretty small dot. Unlike the old
No,
shuttles.
that's not it. That's a plane. Here it comes. Right
There it
now.
is. There it is. That wasn't it. I
That
didn't
was a
think
plane.
I didn't think it was. There it is.
2 minutes.
That was an airplane.
You see it?
Yeah, I see it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I see it.
I wondered why it wasn't the flaming out.
Yeah. There, I hope the camera's picking it up.
I just now see the contrail.
Yeah. So there he is. Heading due east. So it's kind of gone away from us.
There's MECO, main engine cutoff.
Now it'll come back and it'll recover. Now I
Yeah,
see the
I see
second
it.
part
Second stage.
coming up. And it'll come back and they'll recover this. Kind of going to go away. We'll probably lose track of it here.
See the contrails of it now.
Yep, looks like it goes sideways, but it's gone up because that's the curvature of the Earth.
We'll be heading for landing on SpaceX's drone ship. A shortfall of gravitas about 400 miles downrange from.
You can actually still see it.
Yeah, you can barely see it now.
Should see payload fairing jettison in a few moments. Beautiful shot of the two clamshells of the fairing that have now jettisoned from the second stage.
There's the actual TV of it.
That fairing separates now that the rocket has climbed above the lower layers of the atmosphere. It is now in the vacuum of space. And that reveals the stack of satellites. The Galaxy 33 and 34 satellites are now exposed to the space environment for the first time. 4 minutes into flight.
So that's about all we're going to see of it. But we did
Full gas
get a
thruster is pulsing
brief
from
glimpse
the
of it.
First stage booster.
It
as
looks
well
like
as
it's
the payload
coming back
fairing
down.
has
The
those
the
components all
second.
coming back for recovery. Those
Yeah, they'll
thrusters
come back and recover
used to
the
maintain attitude control
boosters.
during the recovery and descent.
I kind of doubt if we'll see that from here. There it is. I see the booster coming back, or it's another airplane, but I do see something up there. I don't know if that's a booster coming back or an airplane. The commercial route is in that direction over there. Can you imagine being on an airplane and be able to see a rocket coming up in front of you? I do believe that's a airplane there. Alright guys, thanks for joining. Thought we'd see what we can find there. Appreciate it. I hope it's visible. I can see a little of the contrail left. So hey guys, if you like this, hit the thumbs up, the like, the subscribe, and hey, we'll do all kinds of videos. This happens to be one of them. Catch you the next time.